Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome back to the case study that we are doing. So we covered the core offer, the selection of cover. Now we cover the opt-in page. Okay. So this is a page where you collect your visitors information, that is the name and email. All right. So I explained a bit about this in the previous videos as well. So let's just focus on opt-in page in here, right? So specifically their name and email. By the way, you can just collect their email, but collecting names as well can be used to personalize the messages, which can increase your conversions just a little bit. All right. So instead of, just random, hey, I can personalize like, hey, John, with their first name, right? Whatever name that that they put in our opt-in form. Okay. So another criteria is opt-in page should be very simple and above the fold. I will explain that in a bit to make it easier for the people, right? Remember, make things easy for your visitors. All right. And the headline should be able to invoke curiosity or promise something that they really want, so that they are, persuaded to put their information in and get whatever that you are giving them in exchange for the information. And then there should be a sub headline that should support the main headline and seamlessly help them take action, that is submit their information. And also it should have a form where they will be able to enter their name and emails. All right. So this is the opt-in page that I came up with. So basically we are giving away a course, right? Free course. This is the main sales page of the Lazy Commissions. It is a free course. So that's what I'm doing here, right? Main point across. Free course. So they are getting a free course. Reveals one focus, $100 per day with affiliate marketing, and one strategy, 100% free traffic, right? Keeping it very straight to the point, very simple. Okay. So where did I get this from? So first, this is 100 per day online with affiliate marketing. All right. And then there is one strategy. So where did I got this one focus from? I actually got it from here, right? One focus, $100 per day ASAP. So instead of ASAP, I just added this one focus, $100 per day with affiliate marketing. All right, that's where I got this from. And then there is, of course, 100% free traffic. All right. So that's my headline. And then sub headline goes to literally anyone can do this and generate affiliate commissions without spending a dime on paid traffic, which is true, right? Also, I am kind of reaffirming that they do not have to use paid traffic and they just need to work with 100% free organic traffic. All right. And then there I wrote down A to Z complete step-by-step training. Nothing held back, and I got it from here, right? A to 6 step-by-step training, nothing held back. I can add this as well, but too much text can be it's not really good. Okay, just keep it simple. Okay. And then I added enter your name and email address. The course will be sent to your inbox, and I added a form here, right? Just example, I use Thrive Architect, so I just added lead generation and I just put the form down here and I customized it according to the templates or however that I want. All right. So I will close that. If you want to see some templates, there we go, right? You can select one form and you can, modify it. You can click on it. You can click on main options. And if I want to change the button, I can edit the form elements. I can change the button style right here. I can change medium, large, XL, double XL. You can add in secondary text here. You can change the secondary text, font size and things like that, right? Pretty handy tool. I use it for everything. I don't use ClickFunnels and such. Any monthly subscription. This is like a yearly subscription that I did, and it's much cheaper. Okay, so I will click on done and I will delete. So basically, this is our opt-in page. It is very simple. This video is very short video, straight to the point. Now what I need to do is I need to create the thank you page next, right? Thank you page, bridge page, pre-sale page, which would be, right, a page where you will deliver your promise, that is giving access to free video for free course. In our case, I'm going to do a free course, right? Because that is Lazy Commissions. All right. So basically this works as a lead magnet as well, as I explained before. So in the thank you page or bridge page, pre-sale page, whatever that you call, I will call bridge page or pre-sale page. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create a video here on the thank you page, right, which will send them to the offer, right? So it is a free offer, so I'm not going to make money. I'm not going to make any money, but I am creating video for that exact reason, right? I want to actually make money with the upsell. So I want to persuade them and buy the upsell, buy the Ultimate Marketing Vault, so that I can make some money. So I will do that video and then I will create another video that will show you exactly how I'm going to build that. Okay. So this is a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome back to the case study. So here we actually completed the opt-in page yesterday, and we are going to build out our thank you page, bridge page, bristle page today, like one and the same. All right. So let's just focus on the thank you page. Okay. So this is a page where you will deliver your promise, that is giving access to a free PDF or free course, whatever that you promise to them. Okay. And you will introduce your core offer. So in my case, it is lazy commissions. Again, the landing page should be very simple. Also, as I said in the intro video, I talked about this, right? I will be creating a faceless video to actually persuade people to buy the upsells. Okay, it's a great offer anyway. So if people actually purchases it and gets value, they are gonna appreciate me more. So I actually went ahead and created that video and uploaded it onto YouTube, right, as an unlisted video. All right, so first of all, I will actually need to open my Thrive Architect to actually go ahead and create thank you page. It's gonna be very simple. This video won't be that long, I guess. So I will go ahead actually with completely blank page just to show you what Thrive Architect can do, and this page doesn't require that much work. So I'll be just building it from scratch here. So there we go. So what we want to do is we want to click on this plus icon here, add button here, and I actually want to add a text. All right. So there's our text, and I actually want the position to below. So I will click on layout position, and I will actually add it out here. I think, yeah, that's fine. All right, and then I want a video. So I will add a video, drag and drop the video element here below that text element. There we go. And then actually want to add a button as well. So here's the button element below that video. That's it. Pretty simple. All right, so now I'll enter my text. So what I will do is watch this that's about it. Okay, so click on it. I will actually change it from gray to black, and I will increase the font size. Yeah, fine. And actually change the alignment, and then I will add the video, right? So here is my video, so I will copy that and I will insert that here. You can select whatever source that you want to do, or you can simply select the HTML as well. So anyway, so I can actually enter my YouTube URL here, which is unlisted, but it will still fetch it. Okay, that is fine. I actually can resize it as well a little. I think that is perfect. Okay, and then on the button I will add something like get your free access to lazy commissions now. Okay, now one important thing is we actually need to have a congruency. So this is kind of yellowish button here, so I need to add yellow, or I can change that to blue, right? I think that might be better. Let's just do that. Why not? Right, so I will change I don't really like that yellow thing. So I have started the Thrive Architect for that page, going bit off off-road here, but that is okay. So I will change the button color. Let's say, yeah, that's fine. I like that. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, I will copy that color code so that I can actually go here and change the color to that as well, right? So I will copy, paste here, apply. All right, similar color, that is fine. Now instead of the text, I need to change the text on opt-in page as well. I kind of forgot to do that, so I will edit the form elements here, and I want to change this, right? Yes, send me the free course. Yeah, fine. I think that's all that. All right, so I will save the work on opt-in page, and I will go back to my thank you page. Very simple. Was this very important video? I can actually even underline it if I want. Yeah, looks good, right? Video and then button, right? So I actually need to change the font size. Actually, I will change the button size as well if I want. I actually want an icon here as well, so I will click on add icon, left side. Yeah, I will click on that icon here and change the icon. All right, so maybe an arrow. I think this one looks good, so I will click on that, and that is our arrow. All right, very simple. I believe. Actually, I will just remove I think that's a lot of text, so I will just do that, and then I will increase this font size a little, right? Yeah, that looks good. Now I will change the alignment a little. So I will go to layout. I will do that 0, right? So it will go a little above. I will save that and I will check. I will preview it. So how it looks like, right? So I will click on preview and see how it looks like. I might actually change the spacing here. So I will go back. I will change the 68 to a little bit more above 40, I guess, and then save. And then I'll go ahead and refresh it and see if it looks good. Yeah, the spacing looks good. The video is clear right here. They can watch it, play here, right, and then get access, right? I just need to add my affiliate link here. So let's just do that. Lazy commissions offer on Warrior Plus. I'll just have to copy my affiliate link here. So I will copy that link, and then I will go to my page here. I will select the button, right, and then I will click on main options and I will just add, right? I don't want the it to open in a new tab. I'll click on no follow, and at the end of the link I will actually add, right, it came from the thank you page button, right? So that looks nice, and I will save it up. All right, so our opt-in page and our landing page both are completed now. So what we need to do next is we actually need to create an email list and connect our opt-in page and thank you page, right? And also we need to set up our email automation. So those videos will come up next. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.